Let's walk through how Mosaic AI helps you build high-quality agents. Today, we'll focus on the step of labeling your initial evaluation dataset to develop a benchmark for quality evaluation. The challenges that we've heard from customers here is, first, how do I get an evaluation dataset that's diverse and representative without needing to have subject matter experts spend months labeling? Two, how do I efficiently collect high-quality, useful feedback from subject matter experts who are busy and have limited time? So how do I quickly unblock myself on quality evaluation? And then how do I have subject matter experts iteratively review that data as they have time? Let's jump to a notebook to see how this works. I've got my product documentation, which has been loaded into a Delta table. I'll load that, and then I'll import Agent Evaluation's synthetic data API. I can optionally provide the API some guidelines, such as what type of scenarios it should address or some example questions. I'll kick this off, but you can see here for the API, I'll pass the documents, those guidelines, and how many questions I want to generate per doc. This will quickly generate high-quality evaluation data that's based on the Mosaic AI research technology. Here, you can see I've generated some requests, which documents they came from, and the expected facts that are in each answer. Now with this data, it's high enough quality that I can go start iterating on and improving the quality of my agent. However, I want my subject matter experts to take a look and make sure that the answers are accurate. So what I'll do here is I'll take this data and I'll load it in to my evaluation set so that subject matter experts can take a look. Let me import it, and then I'll get a link to share with my subject matter experts. Let's open this UI. Now while it's loading, we've built the subject matter expert review UI to be intuitive and try to gamify the process of collecting high-quality evaluation data. So your subject matter expert can start their review, and they'll first see the question, and the first question we'll ask them is, do you think this is a realistic question to be asked? So maybe they say, yes, this is a great question. Next, the agent will generate a response. The user can inspect the detailed documentation that was pulled back by the agent. Now, the subject matter expert can review the information that was pulled back by the agent in order to determine what the ground truth should be. However, what we've done here is with the synthetic data generated data, we've pre-populated the set of facts that we think should be a part of the response. The subject matter expert can quickly review these, they can add an additional fact, and when they're happy, they can press continue. Now this is significantly more efficient than asking your subject matter experts to write answers from scratch. As the subject matter expert goes through each chat, this data is automatically populated back into the Delta table so that as you're iterating on quality, you can take advantage of the most accurate information available.